Hey, sup, buddy? Have your hand in my mouth. You like your mouth in my hand? Yep, that's how that works. But, don't try it. I know Diva made you upset earlier, but don't be upset and have some spaghetti. Don't do it, Cat. She will maul you. Continue mauling me. She won't. But if you maul her, she'll deflect it and hit it back at you even harder. How does that work? Ah! Boopity boopity boop. Paralyzed. Diva's or Cat is paralyzed. When it's scared, it just freezes up. It's stuck. It's stuck in stupid mode. Cat, how do you like being paralyzed? Paralysis? Or wait. Paralyzed is not like, it's not good. Paralysis.